In this video, we will discuss about a somewhat new topic, that is Invadopodia. So this is not new to the scientist, but this is new to our channel. So what this Invadopodia means? Invadopodia, that how this Invadopodia relates to our previous topics. This Invadopodia is a name that is a name given to the process which involves the degradation of the extracellular matrix in the cancer metastasis. So what does means is that we have when the cancer starts to migrate from one place to another place, that is known as metastasis of the cancer. And during metastasis of the cancer, it needs to find out a way from the extracellular matrix. So one of the way that it find out is by degradation of the extracellular matrix nearby the cancer cells, and this process is scientifically known as Invadopodia. So how this there is one of the basic structures how this Invadopodia occurs is being shown in this figure, and this is all about how the intercellular signaling pathways changes to trigger this Invadopodia. So it begins with this phosphorylation, with this EGFR activation of this EGFR through this EGFR receptors, and that leads to the phosphorylation of the SRC, and that will trigger this complex formation, that is CDC42 formation which occurs, and along with this it will also phosphorylate DKS5, and both of them combined together will form a complex that is the initiation of this Invadopodia, and that will interacts with this cell membrane proteins, and after interacting with the cell membrane proteins, it will then move towards this maturation and stabilization of this this Invadopodia, and which means that within this maturation and stabilization, what happens is this beta 1 integrin gets activated through these EGFR receptors, and thereafter this phosphorylation complex will bind together along with this beta 1 integrin to form a complex, and that will help in the polymerization. That is shown by this blue color, and this polymerization of this actin, and in this polymerization of these actins, not only this complex will play a role, however this another complex, that is coffin, moisin, and talens, in combined together plays a role towards this polymerization of these actins, and that will finally act as a they will produce some MMP proteins that will leads to the degradation of the extracellular matrix that we will see in this matrix degradation step. So after this polymerization of this actin, it will then move to this matrix degradation stage. So in this matrix degradation stage, so what will happen is that these polymerized actins will release some metalloprotease proteins, such as some of them are shown here, that is metalloprotease protein, matrix metalloprotease protein 9, 2, and MT1 MMP, and this will then helps in the degradation of the cellular matrix, and that will provide some helps to these cancerous tumor cells towards migration by reducing some of the resistance that are caused by extracellular matrix. And how this matrix metalloprotease degrade this extracellular matrix is a complex topic, as different MMPs plays a different role, or works in its own way towards helping the tumor cells in the migration or metastasis. So this is some of the basic overview of about this Invadopodia, how this will leads to, or how this will helps the cancer cells towards migration or metastasis. If you need to understand more about this Invadopodia and uh, the role of individual signaling pathways in detail, you can go through the reference that has been provided in the description. So that's all for this video. Thank you for your time.